Hello all, and in this video I'm going to show you this. 1, finger 2, finger 3, finger 4, finger 5. That's the scope of this lesson. And I'm also going to show you where to put those hands on the keyboard there. Okay? So first we have ones, which is our thumbs. Then we have 2, index finger. We have third finger, which is your middle finger. We have our ring finger, which is our fourth finger. And then we have our fifth finger, which is our pinky finger. Okay? So we have ones, twos, threes, fours, fives. Okay? See that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 fingers. Okay, and now we're going to show you where each of those fingers goes on the piano. So, okay, this may look a little weird on the screen, but I'll say it as well as place it on there. You're going to have left hand first, finger 5, finger 4, finger 3, finger 2, finger 1, and then now we've got the right hand coming up. So thumb is finger 1, so it's going to be 1 on middle C, finger 2 on D, finger 3, E, finger 4, F, finger 5, G. And to give you a better illustration, I'm going to show you a colored keyboard. So now we have this Claviatura app. This is a modal keyboard app that I use. And we're going to do the same thing, but I'm going to try to do the same finger placement that I did while giving you the light up keyboard, okay? So here we have left hand first. 1, or that's 5 on C, 4 on D, 3 on E, 2 on F, 1 on G, and then your right hand, opposite hand. Finger 1 on C, finger 2 on D, finger 3 on E, finger 4 on F, finger 5 on G. Okay? So you have this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You'll notice the pattern is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the right hand. Now you have learned the right hand and the left hand 1 through 5 fingers. So the homework now is for you to go left hand, finger 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, going up the scale, and finger right hand. You're going to go finger 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you're going to take those both separately and go down the scale. Right hand would be 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Left hand would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They're mirror images of each other. And then what you'll do is you'll try to do them together. So from left to right hand, it would read like this: 5 and 1, 4 and 2, 3 and 3, 2 and 4, 1 and 5. And then reverse, back down. All right? So if you have any questions at all, please feel free to consult the Q&A. Otherwise, I will see you in the next lesson.